Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do not wrap potatoes in aluminum foil for baking. Foil holds in moisture and steams the potatoes, resulting in a boiled taste and texture. Turn the potatoes over halfway through the baking time to prevent browning of the undersides where they touch the baking tray or oven rack.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Do you poke holes in potatoes before baking? Yes. In all honesty, we've never had a potato explode, but we've heard the horror stories. Poking holes in the potato helps steam to escape, which will hopefully prevent potatoes being splattered all over your oven.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.